Good afternoon and welcome to today's news brief. Today is Tuesday, November 3rd. In recent weeks, at least 12 businesses have been fined for non-compliance of the preventive protocols implemented by the health authorities to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in the Municipality of Los Cabos. The most recent actions were carried out last weekend in order to control crowds for the celebration of Halloween and Day of the Dead. The awareness campaigns to avoid the festivities worked, as there were less people trick-or-treating on the streets of the downtown areas of both cabosanlucas and sanjosedelcabo. However, sanctions were applied to restaurants, bars, and party halls. This past Monday, November 2nd, the COVID board, organized by the Los Cabos Business Coordinating Council, continued its analysis of contagion figures, as well as of hospital occupation for COVID-19 patients, and it reported that 13% of hospital beds are occupied, which is the lowest occupancy rate of the last 2 months, in public hospitals in Los Cabos. According to the executive president of the CCC, Julio Castillo Gomez, it is of the utmost importance to continue with this trend of lower hospital occupancy to reduce deaths from the virus in Los Cabos. The Madrugadores group in Los Cabos, which means the early bird group, announced yesterday the launch of an ambitious awareness campaign called Let's All Be Health Ambassadors. Mónica Espinosa, Madrugadores group coordinator, explained that the campaign consists of 3 main aspects. The first one is the collaboration of the entire business sector by implementing and ensuring that all staff members and clients observe and follow the prevention health protocols already known by all: the use of face masks, sanitizing gel, and social distance. The second is the adherence to these same protocols by the general population, since it is essential that all sectors of the community do their part, including civil society. The third one is the request to report those who do not implement or comply with the protocols. With this, the spread of COVID-19 will decrease, said Espinosa, and added that it is very important for the reports to be as clear as possible and always confirmed rather than based on hearsay, since resources in terms of inspectors and time are limited and shouldn't be wasted. Blanca Pedrin, state representative of Grupo Madrugadores de Los Cabos, said that this campaign will also be promoted with the other Madrugadores groups in Mexico and abroad. Pedrin also mentioned that it is very important that as ambassadors, each person do their part to invite tourists to also follow the protocols, because Los Cabos cannot risk going back to a situation that would require closing things down again. Pedrin pointed out that as a community that depends on tourism, we need to ensure that things continue to progress, and that means everybody needs to do their part and act responsibly. That's all that I have for you today. Have a great evening. And remember to tune in this Sunday at 6 p.m. for Cabomilnews and Community Update with Corey Riggs and Claudia Velo.